And for all your filmy updates, please subscribe to Dot Entertainment.
How long it took for all of you to connect? It took me 10-15 minutes to find the link, the password to appear on screen.
So we've been doing this for too long, sir. So
okay.
The entire lockdown has been on Zoom.
I understand.
Yeah.
I have to catch up.
So no, sir, we'll catch you in theaters. You just be there. Hi, Sudha ma'am.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi Sudha. Hi Surya.
Where are you?
I'm going to search you now. I'm going to swipe and search you.
So you can do a gallery view. You can see everyone.
I'm doing that. I can see only 9 of them at a time. So only 9 maximum I'm able to spot.
Shyam,
I got many today.
Yeah. Shyam, can you confirm everyone is joined? And if they have, then we can begin.
Yes, we can start. Most of the media platforms, we can start the interview. Just waiting for your final confirmation.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead, Shyam. So we have friends from the print and web media.
Yeah,
and,
I saw the complete list.
Yeah. So do you want to address them and then take questions?
Yeah, of course. I think this is completely, as you all know, a complete shift in our lives last 6-8 months. We tried our best to release before the lockdown, but we're not able to because of certain things and to get the best out of the film. And yes, this 6 months has given us extra time to make this film even better in the CG department wise. And we thought, I think it is kind of little endless to meet you all in the theater. So we have taken a call to come on the OTT platform. So here we are ready, more on a festive day, closer to Diwali. I think after a very, very long wait, we are now ready to show you Akasam Niyatra to you all. And I'm hoping we'll get same love and same support which we've been getting always. And of course, this film is a very, very special film, not the regular film which you meet a director 6 months before, 7 months before, and you start a film and get the film for the next festive release. This has been, at least my director Sudha's mind for the last 10 years. We met 3 years back and we thought we should make this film happen. It's about a common man with a very uncommon dream. How no dream is too big. This person has changed the face of India the last 2 decades. The low-cost airline, if you're able to travel from a small town to another town and a small city to another city and pay only around 2,000 rupees now, this man is the reason, Captain Gopinath. It's about Air Deccan flights. His dream was actually to make a set of people. He also made a lot of thousands of people fly with a flight ticket of 1 rupee. He made it possible in the aviation industry in spite of a lot of giants around him. So how an ex-army man who started into agriculture was waiting for a coconut sapling to come, a coconut tree to grow for 8-10 years, went into silkworming, irrigation, drip irrigation, a bullet showroom, who went into politics, and how a schoolmaster's son was able to start an airline company. So he had all the adventures in life. And also a story should be should be told to everybody is what Sudha and I, we both thought. This has to be made into a film. Of course, our inspiration was of course, from real life incidences and also from a Simplify book. But the Simplify book is almost 670 pages. So usually cinema is made out of 120 page, a book, a bound book. 670 pages will be almost 7+ hours. So we have taken 4 important, I think, highlights of his life, the moments. And this is Sudha's version of Captain Gopinath sir. Chandra Mahesh is a wonderfully written character. I was in love with this character last 3 years, and we have, I think, put our best, and made it to a nice, beautiful film, which is full of hearts. And I think we are ready now for release on this festive day. So yes, Yasudha is not new to you. She's already been there. You've already witnessed her wonderful works. It was a wonderful experience to work with a director like Sudha. So one by one, we want to know more about the film. We can start with questions, or Sudha, if you want to say something.
ఫస్ట్ ఈ కథని మీరు ఆయనతో మాట్లాడారా సార్? గోపీనాథ్ గారితో మాట్లాడారు ఈ కథ?
We met him once. We definitely met him once in Bangalore. He's still having his helicopter pad in Bangalore. We met him. We had a half-hour, 1-hour meeting. But it is more Sudha's interactions with Gopinath sir which helped us shape this character. And it is, of course, more a lot of personal emotions, a lot of personal inputs. It's completely not an exact replica of Gopinath sir. I am not playing Gopinath sir. I am playing Chandra Mahesh in Telugu and Mara in Tamil. Yeah.
Sir.
Yes.
Hi, sir. Congratulations on super hit trailer.
Thank you. A lot of love from everybody. I see a lot of them tweeting on the songs also. The songs have been equally received very, very well there. GV is very, very happy. The song has been a hit in both the languages.
Yes, sir. சுதா மேம் சொல்லியிருந்தாங்க, இது வரைக்கும் சூர்யா சார் வந்து மற்ற படங்களுக்கு பண்ணாத ஒரு விஷயம் வந்து என்னோட படத்துக்கு பண்ணிருக்காங்க, ஸ்கிரிப்ட் ரீடிங் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி. உங்களுக்கு எப்படி சார் இருந்தது அந்த ப்ராசஸ்?
தமிழ்ல பேசுறீங்களே.
Okay, I can repeat it in English, ma'am.
No. அப்படி இல்ல. I thought this is a Telugu thing. No,
ma'am. Tamil only.
Okay, sorry. Hi, Nuj. Hi.
Sir, Surya garu.
See all the names. Sorry.
Yeah, script reading was, of course, I should accept this is the first time we completely went into that exercise. Usually, as an actor, we hear the story, we have something in mind, we would want to be that character with personal emotions, with a design which is formed by the team, by the director, with the backstory of the character. We try to enact that character. But script reading makes you be that character even before you enter the shooting spot. Usually you take that 3-4 days to exactly be that character, how we should talk, look, smile, the frequency in which he should talk, the modulations, how he behaves with other characters. Suddenly there's a relationship put around you, your mother, your friends, your the would-be wife, all that. So everything happens, you meet the actors only in a shooting spot. At the cost of the producer, the director's pressure, slowly we all get into that mood. It takes maybe 2-3 days or 2-3 scenes or whatever. But a script reading helps you be that character. You already see the character speaking in front of you, characters living in front of you. It helps you be that character much more than you can before you enter the studio, the set. It definitely helps you be that character, live that character more.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Rajesh sir, please. Yeah, the audio is not clear, sir. I think you are on mute, sir.
Raja garu, unmute చేయండి.
సార్,
yes sir.
ఈ సినిమాలో ఈ ట్రైలర్ లో ఒక డైలాగ్ ఉంది, నీ గురించి ఆలోచించడానికి 10 నిమిషాలే తీసుకున్నాను అని అన్నారు. ఈ సుధా కొంగర గారు ఈ కథ చెప్పినప్పుడు ఎన్ని నిమిషాలు ఆలోచించారు?
Sir, I think it was a call which was taken much earlier. I think I've said this before. I don't know if you know this. Guru was the first film which in Telugu was what? Yuva, yes. Yuva was the first film with where we met each other on a shooting spot. Sudha Garu was assisting Mani sir that time. And Mani sir's briefing, what Mani sir will be giving and what he will expect you to do. So after the shot, Sudha will be coming or we'll be going to maybe from vanity van to the shooting spot or before the camera. Or after the shot, more than I started expecting what Sudha is reacting to my shot. இப்படி பண்ணியிருந்திருக்கலாம் பட் நீ இவ்வளவுதான் பண்ண பரவாயில்ல. She'll say it became like, no, I have to not only handle Mani sir but I also have to satisfy Sudha, because her version for that particular scene, her emotion for this scene, I don't think you should have reacted so much, she'll say. I agreed to her version. I agreed to her angle. I thought, like, why am I not able to impress Sudha? I'm able to kind of impress Mani sir. He okayed my shot. He went ahead with the other shot. Why Sudha is not happy with my shot? So
Mani sir, kill me now. He's watching this. He'll kill me. He'll kill me.
That happened. No, I think now no, we can talk about it. It is fun. I still remember those moments. You have seen this. Sylvester Stallone, he's done this thing in First Blood. That emotion, that this is what I expect. Even after getting a gunshot bullet wound, I thought you should have done this. Okay, so I wish Mani sir gives me one more take. So that was our first interactions, and whatever we discussed about movies and our craft. Then Sudha continuously, I think it is more her effort, and I have to thank her for being my Rakhi sister. For all these years, every year we meet, and she's been a wonderful Rakhi sister. Apart from my blood relationships, I think Sudha is only one person who always remembers the Rakhi. So we've never spoken about movies after that, sir. But after watching Guru, Iruthi Chutru and Tamil, I thought, I have to work with this person. I have to be that actor under this director. So then, luckily, she had this character in mind. And I'm always thankful she thought of me in that character, Captain Gopinath sir's character. And immediately after Guru, Iruthi Chutru, I was able to work with Sudha. So this film, working under her, this shooting experience as a director, I really enjoyed as an actor, being in her shooting spot. So you know what bar I have to meet. From Yuva days, she was not happy. So I know it has taken so much of time learning to be there, and to make her happy was a long process for me.
So Sudha garu drill master ga kuda mararani chepparu.
Yes, sir. Not only me, to the entire unit of 250 people, she was that. We were sweetly under her because of her discipline, because of the craft. Because of the sincerity she had towards the work, we were very humbly, sweetly, happily under her.
Yeah, Kumaran, next question.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
So I'm going to search for you, sir. Yes, Kumar sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Very good.
Trailer baga nachindi, sir. Trailer was super.
Thank you, Kumar.
Thank you. What you learned from this character, sir, and what is the challenging part as an artist for this character? For Telugu people, you have image like a loud and super cop. We always loved the Singham character, Yamudu characters, and so. How you impress with these characters? With this
so
character?
Those are all real characters. Those are all written characters. This is about a person who's lived his life and who's proved that a normal, very humble beginning, one school teacher's master's son can be an airline owner is a real life story, and he's been a real life hero first. So a common man can have a big dream and he can make it happen in India. You know what all complexities are there in India, in bureaucrats, laws, permissions, and also to fight with giants in the industry, and to be an airline owner is not a normal story. So he has proved, and so many people have been very important reason to change the face of India. Last 2 decades, if you see, a lot of important people have changed the face of India, changed the face, India's economy. So we are telling about a story about a person who has believed in his dreams and who has made it happen. So it is an inspiration for every common man. Be where you are, to whomever you are born, to whatever situation you are born, whatever your economic status is. There cannot be a reason that your dream is not fulfilled. You can take, of course, Abdul Kalam sir. So these people are inspirations, and we need to keep telling these stories for our generation. Every time there will be a need. A few years back, we didn't have Wi-Fi. A few years back, we didn't have a cell phone. So every time there is a need, every time there can be a situation where a new entrepreneur can challenge and come and prove and change the world. He need not necessarily be a part of the Ambani's family or another corporate world's family. Any person who need not have a big capital, a bank balance, just that idea and that will and that determination, and that persistence to just keep going on. The universe will conspire. The gods will combat. They will come and make it happen, is what he is telling in this story. That's what has happened in his real life. He had a lot of challenges, a lot of ups and downs. A lot of people kept saying, like, how can you make this happen? He didn't have money. Without money, he was able to make his dream come true. So I think this is a very important story to tell everybody.
So any challenging, as an artist, what is the challenging part to playing this role?
So for me, it is like going back in life personally for me. In spite of me being an actor's son, I was literally indirectly thrown out of the house. Go earn your own money. So after finishing my degree, Commerce BCom degree in Loyola, I joined garment industry. I worked for 30 days and my salary was 736 rupees. So what is that first 100 rupees? How to earn that first 100 rupees? How to prove your worth? How to make your own identity? To prove the world who you are and what you are worth. So I had to go back to those days, those emotions, and I have to again relive that sweet past of mine to again start from scratch. So that was the emotion I was banking on. That was the emotion I was trying to relive as Chandra Mahesh, as Mara. And Sudha, since she knows me from those days, she was able to help me relive that character and not be the Singham on screen. I still remember a scene where there will be a big loss. There will be a lot of dejection. Media will come with the mic and they will ask me questions and how can this happen? No, you've cheated us and all that. I, as a regular actor, I had my dialogue, so I started becoming loud, saying, proving how I'm right. Sudha immediately came and said, you are not that person. You are one among them. You are trying to make a difference. You are trying to bring that equality in every field. So in aviation also, you're trying to bring a 26,000 rupees ticket to 4,000 rupees or 500 rupees or even 1 rupee. So you're trying to make a common man fly. Your mindset cannot be, you can't throw your weight. So come to his level and talk. So that made a lot of difference. I had to explain to him, you're trying to make a difference in your field in media, to show what is a real news and fake news and what is happening. So you're trying to do that justice in your field. I'm trying to do mine in my field. So the tone in which she corrected me made me behave or be like a very different actor from last whatever 38 films I've done. Suddenly I felt like I'm learning. I'm behaving like another new actor, another new experiences. I felt that happening in my mind. So thanks to Sudha for making me go through a change, making me go through a new experience.
Sir, how do you feel on OTT release, sir?
Sir, ask Sudha also, sir. Sorry, I didn't get you the last question, sir.
Sir, first OTT release.
Definitely, yes. We might hear in Tamil, we came out with Ponmahal Vandal, which is Jyotika, my wife's film, and this is in our production, a second film we're starting. But of course, a lot of other films have also been released on OTT. Definitely, it cannot match the theatrical experience, be it the visuals, be it the sound, or whatever clap moments we have created. It is definitely theater. We are all going through a very new experience. Just that we are not able to hold on. We are not able to not show this film. We cannot. We don't know how much we need to wait. A lot of contents are coming. People are getting exposed to a lot of new content. we also don't want our content to be, I don't want to use the word stale, but not being kept for a very long time also. And also as a producer, I had to take a few calls to keep the other things gently going. So definitely we missed the theatrical experience. Together, we have to stand united and see how quickly we can get back to the new normal.
Thank you, sir.
Surya sir.
Next question.
Hello, Surya sir.
Rajesh sir, please.
Rajesh from Raglahari. Congrats,
yes,
sir. First half, Akasmeni Hatuki.
Thank you, sir.
And I think you were the first experience with Mohan Babu sir and Jackie Sharif. How was the experience, sir, acting with them?
Parish Rawal sir. Parish Rawal sir.
Parish
and
Rawal, yeah. Jackie Sharif.
Babu Garu. See, I personally have a long, connect with Lakshmi Garu. From, I think, college days, we had common friends, and that's how I know Lakshmi Garu. When we had this character in mind, this person should stand tall in the stature and in heart, and he is my kind of a godfather whom I really look up to. We also have little conflicts, but still he is kind of a mentor and everything to me in this film, which is unsaid. It comes in a different layer. I don't want to completely tell this. Mohan Babu Garu sir was very, very gracious to hear the story immediately as we gave a call to him the evening. Next day morning, how fast your director can come and meet me, how early she will get up. I'm in Tirupati. I wake up very early. If I have to take a narration at 7 o'clock or 6:30 in the morning, will she be there? Sir, my director gets up at 4 o'clock, sir. Of course, sir, we can make it happen, is what we said. And he was very, very kind enough to hear the story. And I think very, very great people take the call immediately. I think the very same day after the narration, he didn't say like, I will tell you in 1 or 2 days and all that, but the very same day, the very same moment, I think after the breakfast, I think he said, for you, I'm doing this film. For Surya, I'm doing this film. So it's the character, it's the respect he gave for the character, and Surya's writing. He immediately was very large-hearted to accept and be a part of this film. He was, I think, one of the first person whom we approached, and he made the film look very, very big. Not only by saying yes, but also to be a part and be that part. He was very, very. He was very, very. He surrendered himself in front of the camera and the director. For me, as an actor, to see that was again a huge experience. We have heard Mohan Babu Garu sharing a garage here in T Nagar with Rajinikanth sir, and he's seen everything in life. A big circle he's gone through in life. And at this stage, after being MP, having a university, colleges, and doing so many films, actor, producer, and to come and to humbly surrender and say, what I should do, Amma? Is this correct? Can I do one more? No, it was to learn instead of saying like, yeah, what is wrong in this take? What do you expect me to do? You do and show me. He didn't say all that. He again and again repeatedly, the previous day he will come, he will by heart the lines. Correct, Amma? He will keep asking the director, if I'm able to say the Tamil Pesi, my diction is correct. I have to remember all this, all my life. Whatever I do, whatever I learn, wherever I am, I should learn the sincerity, what we all witnessed. The whole unit learned that, I think, from Mohan Babu Garu. Same thing with Parish Rawal sir, being a theatre actor. The time he came to our office, whole day he didn't have food. Till I get my lines, I'm not going to eat, he said. He by-hearted all his lines in Tamil. Later he had, I like Thai sadam, curd rice I like, and he asked for curd rice and he had that curd rice. And he slept for 1.5 hours and then he left. So these actors who are like stalwarts, legends, they did not go through this exercise. But they respected the script, they respected the exercise. They came, they did the script reading, and I think all these extra efforts make a difference on screen. It's a very thin line. Any actor can come say the lines and they can act and go. It is just producing those emotions. But those small nuances makes a big leap when we show the audience a film. These small efforts makes it very, very real, makes the actors be that character.
Next question.
Sudha, come on, Sudha.
No, they don't want to talk to me. They're only talking to you. I'm very happy. Talk more. He doesn't
Sudha, you
talk
please
too much.
talk more in the Sundara Telugu.
Hello, ma'am. Sudha, this is Awadh here.
Hi. మీరు ఎక్కడ నాకు కనిపించట్లేదు.
Just audio visible, madam. I don't have a webcam.
All right.
Yeah. So, hi, Surya sir. Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
So, I just wanted to ask, ma'am, was Surya sir the only choice, or did you have anybody else in mind to play this role?
Only choice.
Okay. So he has been saying that he admires your work. So I want to know from you, how was Surya sir from the beginning to the end of the movie? I know he is a great performer, but what changes did you see while performing? This is something kind of a biopic. So what kind of performance did he give? What can we expect as fans and as general audience?
Okay, he is very real in the film. And I think it's some time since I've seen Surya as real as he played this character. I think all Surya requires is a little bit of input to say what I want, and then he goes the 200% to give what he thinks is right for the character. And it's never too far away from what I wanted. So, Ms. Teluga?
Yeah, madam. Yeah.
అలా చూస్తే అసలుకి ఒక డైరెక్టర్ కి కష్టం అనేది లేకుండా చేసేది ఒక ఆర్టిస్ట్ సూర్య.
ఓకే. సో సార్ చెప్పారు ఇందాక యువ షూటింగ్ అప్పుడు he was trying to impress you, so I hope you're completely impressed with this performance.
Yeah, no, even then I have a big mouth, so I used to keep torturing him. See, like there was a shot in the car where he's shot and he's being taken to the hospital or something like that. And he was actually being weak. So I said, you have to be like Rambo, man. You can't be. You're such a strong person. You can't show that you're weak and all that. Why are you doing all this? Because I used to love Surya even back then. We were like great friends. And I wanted him to be the best of the three actors. So I used to keep telling him, no, you have to do this, you have to do that. So I think it came out of that.
I'll tell Maddie, wait, I'll tell Maddie.
No, he knows. And he used to keep torturing me. See, you like only that guy, you don't like me, kind of thing. So, because Surya will come first on sets, he'll be ready first on sets, and my job then was to get the actors ready. So we had 12 actors, and this guy used to be the right without any trouble to me. So Maddie used to come a little later, so all my attention used to be only on Surya.
Yes.
So I think that's how we got a rapport, and then we talk cinema a bit. We like the same kind of cinema, and then we see something extraordinary, we love it. So, and on this film, I'm completely satisfied. Yeah.
Okay. Sir, Surya sir, generally when we talk about South cinema, it's more of commercial cinema. Now things are slowly changing. So how do you see changes with this movie, sir? Especially it's not like a typical commercial movie. When a star hero like you does this movie, things change a lot. So how do you see this change, and what kind of change does this film brings to the South industry, sir?
More nice stories, sir. More nice directors.
Okay.
More nice experience. Change is the only constant thing. So when we believe in good stories, good experience, I think more will come. It's about the spectrum. How many people we are able to impress. If you're able to impress more and more people, I think more and more stories will be picked up, and the confidence also comes to any creator, actor, producer to go in more in that direction.
Yes. Yeah, one last question about you, sir. So ma'am is made her second innings, Jyotika ma'am. How do you see her second innings, sir? What kind of roles is she doing? How do you see the whole this thing, sir?
Very, very proud of her choices. It's again, as I always believe, sir, that karma and the beliefs and the universe, what you make around you, it is automatically, if your thoughts are very clear, when your heart is very pure, you attract those people around you. You attract those things around you. So the last few films, whatever she's done as a teacher, as a cop, as a lawyer, and even the other 2-3 films, what she's committed now, these have been important films or important moments or important things which she wanted to say. It can be about a girl child, or it can be about small topics, whatever has come. She was personally affected by all these in her real life, and it so happened she got those scripts to enact them, to be them, and to tell those. It's more about self-respect, upliftment of women can do it, giving them that confidence. So all these things are part of her beliefs and about her belief system. So when all that also becomes her film, that also becomes her work, then she's completely into it. And the way she works on it, I think more and more scripts are coming, more and more what she wants is happening. She is also has the guts or the mind to say no to a big film when a character is small, or the character is not making much of a difference in the film. She's able to say no to big names. So only the right films come to her, only the right stories are coming to her, and she's very happy with whatever selective projects she's been doing. I'm a very proud husband.
Yeah. Madam, one last question to you also. So, is this film being dubbed in Hindi, or just wanted to know?
I don't know. I'll have to ask the producers. I think it is. Kada?
It will be. Yeah, I think we'll also confirm with our producer. But there is also a remake opportunity happening. Those meetings are also on the pipeline. So.
Okay. So will you be playing the same character? Is somebody else, or it will be completely different?
We have other actors interested in this, and usually I've done this already. So I'll be looking forward for a new script and a new character to reel in. I'll be happy to produce it with Sudha's doing it, and if this film is getting ready and everybody's on the same page, I would love to produce it. But acting, I would love to act in another new story and live a new character.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Suresh sir, hi. This is Shyam.
Shyam, I'm going to find you quickly. Yes, Shyam. Yeah.
Sir, actually, మీరు లైన్ హార్టెడ్ హీరో సార్. అంటే మీరు చేసిన ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్ కానీ లేకపోతే మీరు ఎంచుకున్న కథలు కానీ దే ఆర్ వెరీ పెక్యులర్. ఐ మీన్ వెరీ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంటల్ లైక్ దట్, అండ్ కమర్షియల్ ఆల్సో. హౌ యూ చూస్ దిస్ స్క్రిప్ట్ సార్? అంటే వెన్ సుధా గారు కేమ్ టు యూ అండ్ ఈ సినిమా మనం చేద్దామని మీకు చెప్పినప్పుడు హౌ యూ ఫీల్ అబౌట్ ఇట్, అండ్ వాట్ మేడ్ యూ do this film?
Both comes, Shyam, as you said. A film can be based on entertainment. How each and every scene is going to move, what all I do in the film, what is a new space I can create is one. And one is a script which will scare you. Will I be able to do this? Sometimes it's not easy. Sometimes it throws you a challenge. I was trying to recall. So Ghajini was like that for me. Surya Son of Krishnan was like that for me. So a lot of few films, Nanda was like that for me. So only when you do these films, you grow as an actor also. So like that, I think Chandra Mukesh Mara character also was very, very challenging for me to be as real as this person. If you see a lot of films in every language, to be that character, to underplay, I don't know which word is the right word to choose, underplay and go back in life, be that loser, show yourself as a loser. Always you've seen us as a hero, but there are a lot of challenges he's faced, he's been thrown, he's been rejected so many times. To be that and to start from scratch, and that sincerity, yes, he's going through this, he will bounce back, he's doing this genuinely. This is not a hero, but he's a common man. He's one of us. To be that was a challenge for me. I think that's what we try to recreate. Remove that makeup. Not be that whatever characters you have seen before. It's not going to be a glamorous thing. I'm not going to fight. I'm not going to dance. I'm not going to do those punchlines. But I'm going to stick to that real emotions. What this person has done in real life. How he has been a very, very a normal, common man, like any one of us, and how he has changed the face of India. So we have to show both, the contrast, from where he was and how he was able to cross so many barriers and achieve and change the aviation industry. The first low-cost airline was actually from a very, very normal person who was nothing to do with the airline industry. He had nothing to do with that backdrop at all. but no, a person like you was suddenly able to believe in one dream, and he made everything happen. So that was a huge challenge for us to bring it on screen.
Sudha ma'am, ఎందుకని మా హ్యాండ్సమ్ హీరోస్ ని లైక్ సూర్య గారిని కానీ మాడీ గారిని కానీ ఇలా రగ్గడ్ అండ్ కల్ట్ రోల్స్ లో చూపిస్తున్నారు? వాట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ బిహైండ్ ఇట్? దీస్ ఆర్ వెరీ హ్యాండ్సమ్ హీరోస్, రైట్?
మరి మా సినిమాలో హ్యాండ్సమ్ గా కనిపించట్లేదా?
అంటే మీ సినిమాలో కూడా కనిపిస్తున్నారు, బట్ మేజర్ అంటే మేకప్ లేకుండా లైక్ ఎక్కువ పార్ట్ అదే ఉంది కదా ట్రైలర్ లో చూస్తే.
రియల్ మాకు ఇష్టం, ఆడవారికి ఇష్టం ఇలా చూస్తాం.
I think women know better, Chief.
Shivana, next question.
Yeah, Varun sir, Pinadi, your kid is saying hi, so I'll say hi to him also.
Hi sir.
Shiva, yes sir.
సార్ ఇది ఒక గేమ్ చేంజర్ లాంటిదండి. ఆయన 2003కి ముందు ఫ్లైట్ లో ఎక్కాలనుకున్నోడికి ఒక డ్రీమ్ లా ఉండేది. వాళ్ళందరికీ ఒక 9 కోట్ల మందికి దగ్గర ఈయన ట్రావెల్ చేయించాడు. లైక్ ₹1 టికెట్ అని చాలా ఫేర్ తగ్గించి. ఈ మన సినిమాలో స్టోరీ 2003కి ముందు ఉంటుందా, ఫాల్ డౌన్ అయినా 2007 తర్వాత ఉంటుందా?
2003కి ముందు ఉంటుందండి. ఆయన జీవిత చరిత్ర నేను చదివినప్పుడు, ఆయనతో మాట్లాడినప్పుడు, నాకు చాలా రీసెర్చ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమనిపించిందంటే, వాట్ ఎక్సైట్స్ యూ మాక్సిమం, ఏ విషయం మనకి చాలా చాలా ఏమంటామంటే మనని అలా లాగుతుంది ఆ కథలోకి. ఆ కథ వాజ్ ద వే హీ వెంట్ టు బీ ఏబుల్ టు మేక్ అ మ్యాన్ ఫ్లై అట్ ₹1. సో నాకు ఇష్టం వచ్చింది అదనమాట. నాకు ఆ తర్వాత జరిగేవి అవన్నీ అది ఇంకో సినిమా అలా.
అదే అందుకే నేను అడుగుతున్నాను, అంటే ఆ డ్రీమ్ ని సక్సెస్ చేయటం అనేది మీ ఎండ్ అని అడుగుతున్నాను.
అది ఎండ్ చెప్పలేను నేను, బట్ ఫర్ మీ ద ఆస్పెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ హిస్ లైఫ్ వాజ్ హిమ్ యాజ్ అన్ ఏవియేటర్. ఒక ఏవియేషన్ ఇండస్ట్రీని నిలబెట్టి తను ఒక కంపెనీని స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఆ టైంలో అనేది ఇట్ వాజ్ అ గ్రేట్ థింగ్. బికాజ్ నేను చెప్పాను, ఇంతకు ముందు కూడా చెప్పారు, ఈవెన్ రతన్ టాటా ఫౌండ్ ఇట్ సో డిఫికల్ట్ టు ఎంటర్ ది ఏవియేషన్ ఇండస్ట్రీ. అండ్ హియర్ ఇస్ అ కామన్ మ్యాన్, అ స్కూల్ టీచర్స్ కిడ్ who comes and for 10 years he tried his level best and finally చేశారు. సో నాకు చాలా నచ్చిన స్టోరీ ఆయన లైఫ్ లో అది. సో ఈవెన్ వెన్ ఐ వాజ్ సేయింగ్ ఇట్ as a one line to Surya, it was that.
నో, అంటే మీరు కామన్ మ్యాన్ ఎవరైనా కూడా ఒక డ్రీమ్ కలొచ్చు అని చెప్తున్నారు ఈ సినిమా ద్వారా.
డెఫినెట్లీ. అంటే మన నేషన్ ఇస్ అ వెరీ యంగ్ నేషన్ అండి. ఇట్స్ ప్రాబ్లీ ది యంగెస్ట్ నేషన్ ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్. And I think we really need inspirational stories to be told there for the youth, for everybody. It just puts you in a better space, and this is the time I really think we need to listen to inspirational stories. దాంట్లోంచి పుట్టిన కథ ఇది, ఆ థాట్ లోంచి.
సార్, సూర్య గారు యాజ్ ఎ నిర్మాతగా మీరు హ్యాపీనా అండి?
Of course, this is a beautiful story. As Sudha was saying, we have the youngest nation. Nothing like inspiring. If our work is also entertaining and also inspiring people, then nothing like it. We still hear people talking about small dialogues which change them. Even a Gajini dialogue or another film dialogue, they say like, I chose this character because became an IPS officer because of this film, or became an IAS officer, or I became from a waiter, I became a restaurant manager because of this dialogue. So when a movie is also able to inspire you and entertain you, nothing like it. And this film, I think made a lot of gave a lot of satisfaction me as a actor and also as a producer.
సార్, ఇది లాక్డౌన్ కనుక కాకపోయినట్టయితే మీకు ఫైనాన్షియల్ గా ఇంకా చాలా బాగుండేదేమో కదా?
Not able. We all go through that, sir. I think a lot of other 10 films are also under production. I think I had to take certain calls based on everybody around me. A lot of creators also around me, a lot of families around me. I had to take certain calls.
అండ్ ఫైనలీ శివ గారు, చూస్తా ఉంటే మనం నెక్స్ట్ పెద్ద సినిమా ఎలా రిలీజ్ చేస్తాం, ఏ థియేటర్ ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది, థియేటర్ ఓపెన్ అయినా ఎంతమంది వస్తున్నారు అనేది మనం చూస్తానే ఉన్నాం. సో ఐ థింక్ ఫైనలీ, నాకు ఇనిషియలీ ఐ వాజ్ వెరీ హెజిటెంట్. ఇన్ఫాక్ట్ ఐ వాజ్ లైక్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఏంటి ఇలా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది సినిమా, థియేటర్ కోసం తీసిన సినిమా అని. బట్ రైట్ నౌ ఐ థింక్ విత్ నో ఫ్యూచర్ being very certain, this is the best thing that could have happened to the film. We are coming as entertainers on a festival date, and almost like a theatrical release of a festivity na anistunadi annamata. So I
we are all social animals, sir. We all want to get out of the house. We are all just waiting for the theaters to become
And
normal.
నాకు తెలిసిన చాలా మంది actually families గా friends గా groups గా they're all planning to watch it together like a theater experience. So a situation, make the best of the situation.
It is sweet to see people getting bigger TVs and bigger speakers and adapting to this short-term situation.
Next question. Ramesh, next question.
సుధా గారు,
రమేష్ గారు మీరు మ్యూట్ లో ఉన్నారు.
మేడం, ఇది లాస్ట్ మూవీ చూస్తే ఒక రియల్ లైఫ్ స్టోరీని మనం స్క్రీన్ మీద చూసిన ఫీలింగ్ ఉంటుంది మనకి. అయితే ఈ సినిమా యాక్చువల్గా బయోపిక్ లాంటిది ఒక రకంగా. ఈ సినిమాలో ఎంతవరకు ఒరిజినాలిటీ ఎంతవరకు చూపించారు, ఫిక్షన్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది?
అది చెప్పలేనండి, మీరు సినిమా చూసిన తర్వాత అగైన్ విల్ డూ అన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ, అప్పుడు నేను చెప్తాను. బట్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆయన లైఫ్ ఎంత డ్రామాటిక్ అంటే వెరీ లిటిల్ బిట్ ఆఫ్ డ్రామటైజేషన్ ఇస్ రిక్వైర్డ్. ఏ డ్రామాటిక్ ఈవెంట్ నేను తీసుకొని స్క్రీన్ ప్లే లో పెట్టాలనేది నాకు ఒక క్వశ్చన్ గా మిగిలిపోయింది. కానీ అదర్వైజ్ ఐ థింక్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇట్స్ స్లైట్లీ హైటెండ్ డ్రామటైజ్డ్ ఫిక్షనలైజ్ స్టోరీ అని చెప్పాలి. చాలా బట్ ద టోన్ అండ్ ద పిచ్ విల్ బి లైక్, మీరు గురు చూసారు కదా ఒక రియలిస్టిక్ ఇది, అదే ఇట్స్ ద సేమ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్.
And it's also interesting that the low-cost airline also was actually started in Hyderabad and Vijayawada, where all it was the first.
Vijayawada. గన్నవరం ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ కి ఫస్ట్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ రీఓపెన్ అయిందండి.
నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్.
Yes sir.
రమేష్ అన్న మిమ్మల్ని.
సుధా గారు, ఈ సినిమాలో ఏమన్నా ఉమెన్ ఇష్యూస్ ఏమన్నా టచ్ చేశారా? ఎందుకంటే ట్రైలర్ లో ఒబేసిటీ పాయింట్ ఒకటి చిన్నది హ్యూమరస్ కోసం టచ్ చేసినట్టుంది.
అయ్యో సారీ అండి, నేను అసలు అలా ఆలోచించలేదు. జస్ట్ లైక్ కపుల్ హూ ఆర్ సో ఇన్ లవ్ విత్ ఈచ్ అదర్ అండ్ సో కంఫర్టబుల్ విత్ ఈచ్ అదర్, యూ టాక్ అబౌట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. మొహమ్మద్ నల్లమచ్చంద చూడు, నీకు నువ్వేంటి ఇలా లావైపోయావు, నువ్వేంటి ఇలా తగ్గిపోయావు, నువ్వేంటి అలా అరుస్తున్నావు. సో ఇట్ జస్ట్ టు షో ఫెమిలియారిటీ కానీ ఐ సర్టన్లీ హ్యావ్ నో ఇష్యూస్ విత్ బాడీ షేమింగ్. ప్లీజ్, ఐ డోంట్ డూ దాట్. సారీ.
They are both equal, mind wise, what they're able to do, capable of doing, their ideologies, their thoughts, they are equals in this film. So that was also beautifully, I think, written and acted also by Aparna. There's also a scene where I say, why only the husband should earn, is it? Only the husband should take care of the family, is it? You're already running a bakery. Why can't you run the family? I'll go back, I'll chase my dreams. You take care of the family. No. So those are all, I think, beautiful moments. And a husband also will not hesitate to borrow money from the wife. So these are all, I think, beautiful moments which I don't think we see in a lot of films. So I don't want to tell more about the scenes and all that, but I think this will give you a kind of an idea of what they both share, what relationship they both share.
My question is not for body shaming, ma'am. There is any equality between men and women, and that's what.
అబ్బో, అది సినిమా మొత్తం అదేనండి, ఈక్వాలిటీయే. I genuinely believe that in Captain Gopinath's life also it happened, and in the story also it happens. And అడిగారు కదా ఫిక్షనల్ గా ఉంటుందా అని, యాక్చువల్లీ నాట్. ఇట్స్ వెరీ వెరీ రియల్. ఆ ఒక రిలేషన్షిప్ మీరు చూస్తే ఐ థింక్ యుల్ లైక్ ఇట్.
A little off topic, I had some discussion with my kids today. I was telling them by 21, 22, you have to go out and you have to earn your own first 100 rupees. So my daughter, you have Dia, you have another 9 years, and Dev, you have 12 years. I'm going to stop everything. You have to find your own bread, find your own tissue paper, your cell phone, whatever. You have to earn it all yourself. My daughter was shocked. Appa, you can't be so rude, Appa. And give me some more time. No, she was saying. My son was saying, Appa, there is one more person in the family. No, that person is also there. Don't forget. Amma will support us. Amma is also earning. Amma also will take care of us. So they was able to say that. So that was that's what we believe in, and I'm happy I was able to show and be a part of something like that in the film also.
Yeah, last question, please.
Sudha garu, మేడం మీ స్టోరీస్ అంటే రెండు కథలు చూసిన ఒక సిమిలారిటీ ఏంటంటే ఒక ఇన్స్పిరేషనల్ పాయింట్ కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది. అంటే డౌన్ టు నుంచి మొదలైన కథ ఒక హైకి వెళ్ళి రీచ్ అవటం అనేది. సో మీరు యాజ్ అ డైరెక్టర్ గా మీరు ఎంచుకునే కథలన్నీ ఇలాంటివే ఉండబోతున్నాయా? ఏదైనా ఒక కమర్షియల్ మూవీ ఇలాంటి ఏమైనా లవ్ స్టోరీస్ అలాంటి ఏమైనా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చా?
అంటే ఇది కమర్షియల్ మూవీస్ కావు అని అంటున్నారా మీరు?
100% కమర్షియల్ మూవీ మేడం. ఎంత మందికి రీచ్ అయితే అంత కమర్షియల్.
అంటే ఏంటంటేనండి, నా రైటర్ ఒక అమ్మాయి ఉంది శాలిని అని చెప్పి. సో ఐ వాస్ టెలింగ్ హర్ దిస్ మూవీ ఆల్సో ద టెంప్లెట్ ఇస్ వెరీ సిమిలర్ టు గురు. యాక్చువల్లీ ఒక అండర్ డాగ్ స్టోరీ అనమాట. సో నేను అంటా ఉన్నాను ఏంటి నాకు ఇలాంటివి నచ్చుతున్నాయి అంటే అప్పుడు తను అందనమాట, మేబీ దట్స్ యువర్ వాయిస్ సుధా, మేబీ ఆల్ యువర్ లైఫ్ యూ విల్ బి టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ది అండర్ డాగ్స్. ఎందుకంటే ద బిగ్గెస్ట్ అండర్ డాగ్ హెస్ బీన్ మీ. ఈ ఇండస్ట్రీలో కానీ లైఫ్ లో కానీ మీరు తీసుకుంటే ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఈజీ. ఐ డెంట్ గెట్ ఇట్ ఈజీ. సో ది అండర్ డాగ్ థింగ్ అపీల్స్ టు మీ. అది నా సినిమాలో చాలా సినిమాలు మాట్లాడుతూనే ఉండొచ్చేమో. మేబీ ఇట్ విల్ ఆల్వేస్ బీ దర్ ఇన్ ఆల్ మై ఫిల్మ్స్. ఐ డోంట్ నో.
We love to watch మేడం, అందుకే అడిగా.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
సార్. సూర్య సార్, చివరిగా తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులకి ఏం చెప్పబోతున్నారు సార్? రిలీజ్ అవబోతున్న మన మూవీ గురించి ఆకాశమే నీ నిద్ర.
So first I'm hoping everybody is recovering and coming back to normal. We also had the recent rains, the flooding also happening. I'm hoping everybody is coming back to normal. I'm in touch with Rana. I'm also finding out if anything can be done from our side. From here, Karthik, my brother, is also in touch. I'm hoping everything is coming back to normal. People have been exposed to a lot of new content now because of the OTT platforms. A lot of innovative ideas, scripts, and writers, directors, actors have been able to keep giving them new content. Sometimes certain things are implanted for a cinematic experience in a theater, but on an OTT platform, I think very adventurous writing and new age writing is happening. I'm very sure, like my past films, which they have kept close to their heart. Some of the films they still remember even after 10 years, 15 years. I'm hoping this film will be remembered for that, for each and every craft, be it music, be it the writing, be it the actors, be it the content, be it the intention of telling the story. I think this film will satisfy everybody. It will be a wonderful watch at home. In a theater now, you can choose your friends and you can go alone and watch certain films and don't do all that. But at home, generally, it becomes a family atmosphere, and you all watch it with the family. I think this will be a wonderful watch with the family, and also inspire people. Not only entertain them, it will also inspire the younger generation.
Thank you, sir. Any more questions, friends? We are concluding.
సుధా గారు,
Last question.
అడగండి.
మీరు ఇది ఇంకొక పార్ట్ కూడా చేయొచ్చు అన్నారు కదా ఫ్యూచర్ లో, అది కూడా మన సూర్య గారితో చేస్తారా కంటిన్యూషన్?
అంతేగా మరి.
అంతే. ఇప్పుడు అది కాకుండా మేడం, మీరు ఇది చాలా మంచి స్క్రిప్ట్ కాబట్టి, ఇది 7 గంటల దాకా వచ్చే స్క్రిప్ట్ కాబట్టి దీన్ని వెబ్ సిరీస్ గా మీరు ఎందుకు చేయకూడదు?
అంటే ఇది స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు సినిమానే అనుకున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు ద వరల్డ్ హెస్ చేంజ్డ్ అండి. ఎప్పుడో ఇంకొక 10 years తర్వాత దీస్ ఓటీటీ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ విల్ క్యాచ్ అప్ అండ్ దే గోయింగ్ టు రీప్లేస్ థియేటర్స్. అది ఏమైందంటే because of the unique situation we are in right now with no theaters, the OTTs have moved in. So we are talking web series and all that. But just 6-8 months back, నేను web series గురించి ఆలోచించలేదు. I used to consume it, but I would never think of making one. So I think it's the times అండి. Maybe future లో కనుక చేస్తుంటే, లేకపోతే after corona, maybe I would have even thought of it as a 7-part series or a 10-part series. But this lent itself beautifully for a feature film also.
No. నా ఉద్దేశం ఏంటంటే, నేను వేరే తప్పుగా అనట్లేదు. సినిమా ఇస్ ఫెంటాస్టిక్. కానీ ఇప్పుడు వస్తున్నది మీ పాయింట్ లో, ఆ స్క్రిప్ట్ నాకు కొంత చదివాను ఆ బుక్ నేను, అందుకని చెప్తున్నాను. అందులో సెకండ్ పార్ట్ కూడా చాలా బాగుంటుంది మేడం. ఆయన ఫాల్ డౌన్ అయింది కూడా ఎందుకు అయింది, తర్వాత బ్యూరోక్రాట్స్, రాజకీయ నాయకులు, దేశానికి సంబంధించి ఏం జరిగింది అనేది కూడా చాలా మంచి ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ స్టోరీ. అందుకని
ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్, బట్ నాకు ఇది మోర్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ అనిపించింది. సో
which part you choose to say?
You have to choose something. Lakapothe it just becomes flab anamata. Either I could have chosen that part or this part. But like you said, in a web series, you can explore the long format is always more conducive for biopics. Actually.
బట్ సార్ సూర్య గారు నెక్స్ట్ సినిమాల గురించి చెప్తారా మీరు?
Start, sir. Still, lockdown is still on, sir. I have not started. When everything is normal and when we have some good news, I will definitely share.
Yes. All the best, sir. All the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you, friends. Thank you.
Bye. See you.
Good luck.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Hello, guys. నేను మీ అభయ్. Please do subscribe Entertainment for more entertainment videos. సినిమా గురించి అప్డేట్ కావాలన్నా ఈ ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవ్వండి.
హలో అండి, నేను మీ యోగి ఖత్రి యాక్టర్ని. .entertainmentకి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.
And for all your filmy updates, please subscribe to Entertainment.
For filmy updates, please do subscribe to Entertainment.
Hi, this is Nabha Natesh. Please subscribe to Entertainment.